Are you making these mistakes as an affiliate? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the most common mistakes beginners start to make when they're getting started with affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be going over the 10 most common mistakes that people make when getting started with affiliate marketing. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here, and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into the first mistake. So the first one is people expect overnight success. Maybe you might have just joined some kind of affiliate marketing program because you saw an advertisement that somebody was talking about all the money that they made from affiliate marketing, and they just make it sound so easy. The concept is easy to understand when it comes to affiliate marketing, but there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. People who you see talking about how much money they made with affiliate marketing, whether it's $10,000 in a month, $100,000 in a month, they didn't get to that point overnight. It took them maybe years in order to reach that point. Affiliate marketing is a business. So if you're somebody who's completely brand new to affiliate marketing, it's going to take you a while to learn all the technicalities and all the dynamics that are involved with becoming successful. There's a learning curve that you have to go through in order to become successful. You're going to fail over and over and over again before you can see what works and what doesn't work. And I think this is the most common mistake that people make, because they expect to click a few buttons here and there, and then suddenly overnight they're maybe $10,000 richer, and it actually doesn't work like that. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to get accustomed to delayed gratification, meaning you're going to put in the work up front for some kind of action to move you towards your goals, but you might not see results until maybe like 6 months down the line, or a year, or maybe even more. This is a business where results are not typical. So you can become successful maybe in a month or two with affiliate marketing, or maybe 6 months down the line, or 2 years down the line. It's really up to you and how committed you are to putting in the work. Now, mistake number 2 that people make is that they just spam their affiliate link all over the internet. They join a program, they see the product that they want to promote, and then they just take that link and they copy and paste it all over the place. They post it on Facebook, Instagram, blogs, forums, YouTube videos. If you're just spamming your affiliate link all over the internet, the chances of people clicking on that link and purchasing the product that you're promoting are really low. Because, first of all, people don't know who you are, and they don't know what that link is actually for. So they're not just going to click on a random link and just buy a product because, the link is there. So you should just stick to one platform and create an audience who you're going to be addressing. Now, mistake number 3 is that people don't create an email list. So if you don't know what an email list is, it's basically a list where people submit their email to you and they're added to your email list. And then you can just email your whole list with a broadcast email, or they can receive your autoresponder sequence. So the more people that you have on the list, the more people that you have to promote a product to. If you're just promoting a product to a person one time, there's a good chance they're not going to buy that product. And you're going to probably move on. But if you create an email list, you can promote a product to that person. If they don't buy it, that's okay, because they're still on your list. Maybe a week or 2 later down the line, you can promote that product to them again. So you can constantly promote products through an email list. I hear a lot of successful email marketers say that the money is in the list. So the more email subscribers that you have, the greater your chances of making more money with your affiliate products. Now, mistake number 4 that people make is that they're not delivering any value. As I mentioned, most people who get started, they just spam their affiliate links all over the internet, and they expect people to click on that link and buy that product. But if you're not delivering value, people aren't gonna click on that link. They're gonna say, why should I click on this link? I don't know if this product is actually gonna help me out. So you should be creating some kind of value before you promote your affiliate link, because people aren't gonna know if that product is actually gonna help them out. If you're delivering value by addressing a problem that somebody is having, then you start to build up trust, and they can see that product more or less is gonna benefit them. Now, mistake number 5 that people make is they don't take the time to invest into themselves. Now this doesn't just apply to affiliate marketing, it applies to anybody who's trying to run a business. You should take the time to invest into yourself in order to learn more about the business and how you can actually grow and scale it. That's why I recommend reading books about marketing, learning from other people who are professional marketers, and put yourself in a position to grow from other people who are on the same journey as you are. Most people don't think about this part when they're starting a business, let alone affiliate marketing. They just think about, okay, what do I need to get this going? They put that into action and then they think, okay, now I can just sit back and just watch the money start rolling in. But you have to develop your mindset in order to become successful. And this is what a lot of people miss when they're getting started with any business, not just affiliate marketing. So mistake number 6 is that people don't take the time to learn the in and outs of this business. They think, okay, so all I have to do is sign up for this affiliate program, find a product, promote it, and then that's pretty much it. I'm going to run paid advertisement to this landing page right here. But if you don't know how advertising works and you just start throwing money at it, there's a good chance you're going to waste your money. If you're paying for solo ads and you can't tell if the person that's selling you the traffic is sending you real people or they're sending you bots, then you're going to be wasting your money. So you can pay somebody to get 200 clicks to your landing page, but if you get maybe like 4 opt-ins out of those whole 200 clicks, I mean, that should be a red flag for you right there. Now, most people don't think about this because they just want to get started. They don't want to take the time to learn it. They just want to make money as soon as possible. But this is why I recommend that you take the time to learn the in and outs of affiliate marketing. Now, mistake number 7 is that people aren't being consistent enough. Now, what I mean by this is that they're not consistently putting in action into their business. Most people don't consider this a business. They just treat it like a hobby. That doesn't mean that you have to be a full-time affiliate marketer putting in 40 plus hours a week in order to become successful. You can set aside maybe 2 to 3 hours a day just putting time into your business. Whether that's creating content like YouTube videos, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, setting up an autoresponder sequence, creating a landing page, testing out landing pages, trying out paid traffic versus free traffic. You have to be consistently working on your business and finding out what works and what doesn't work. People who are not really too serious about affiliate marketing, they might just write a blog post maybe once a month, but that's not enough to get enough traffic and people interested into your offers. So I recommend maybe creating content maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Now, mistake number 8 that people make is that they try to find all kinds of platforms that they know about to promote their affiliate offers. So that's why I recommend to find one platform and learn to master it before you move on to another one. People want to post on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, writing their own blogs. But when you try to do all that, you're going to be spreading yourself too thin. You're going to be considered what's known as the jack of all trades and the master of none. You're going to have a little bit of knowledge about everything, but not a whole lot of knowledge about a certain thing. So you want to stick to one platform, learn how to master it, grow an audience, get results before you start to move on to another platform. Now, mistake number 9 that people make is spending money on tools and software before they're familiar on how they work. People like to invest in the top-notch premium software because they think that's going to get them the most and premium results. But if you don't know how that software works, or even if that software is right for you, you're going to be just throwing money away. So this is kind of like knowing the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. If you have an autoresponder sequence, you're paying for a service plan, maybe you're paying $100 a month to have a list of maybe 15,000 emails, but you don't even have 500 emails. So there's probably a cheaper plan that you can go with that's going to be more suited for your needs. So you should know what your budget is and plan correctly for it. Now, mistake number 10, this is probably next to the top mistake that people make, is they don't take action. They spend all this time watching maybe YouTube videos, investing into a program that teaches you how to make money with affiliate marketing, but they don't take any action. They just let that knowledge just sink in, let it marinate, but they just fail to execute. Now, there's an old saying that goes, knowledge is power, but I mean, it's pretty powerless until you apply it. You can have all this knowledge in the world, but I mean, it doesn't really mean anything if you just have it sitting there in the back of your mind. So you have to take massive action in order to see results in this business. I know it's going to be kind of frustrating sometimes when you just come home from work, you're just tired, but you have to create content no matter what, because you know that in the end, when you start to get results, it's going to be worth it. So that's why you have to have a reason why you're doing this whole thing in the first place. Are you looking to just quit your day job? Are you looking to create a better financial future for you and your family? Are you looking just to travel the world because affiliate marketing is going to open up your schedule and just give you more financial freedom as well as time freedom? Well, those are the top mistakes that people make when they get started with affiliate marketing. And if you guys are looking to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a free ebook down in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So I basically lay out the whole plan on how you can start to make money using affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn more about that, I recommend you guys go and check it out. And if you guys want my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, check out the first link in the top of the description below. Well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. Hopefully you got some kind of value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.